If you've ever called a business and been trapped in a loop of press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, you know the friction. Traditional phone menus force callers into rigid pathways and long hold times. The CompletePBX Custom AI Virtual Agent replaces that queue entirely. It answers immediately, operates 24/7, and speaks naturally to resolve issues on the spot. Customer service moves from a waiting game to an instant conversational exchange. Inside the system's prompt tab, administrators write out exact instructions defining the agent's identity, role, and professional tone. Using dynamic variables, you set specific house rules, choose the voice gender, and deploy the agent in multiple languages. These prompt settings ensure that every interaction adheres to your specific brand identity and follows your exact rules for professional conduct. To make the agent useful, it needs facts. You upload standard company documents, PDFs, text files, and Word documents directly into the system. The AI processes these files and uses them to answer complex caller questions regarding pricing, return policies, or technical support without needing human intervention. Static reference files become a conversational, highly searchable support system. But answering questions is a passive process. Tools are custom scripts, written in PHP, Python, or Bash, that let the AI actively query external databases during a live call. The AI listens and autonomously decides when to trigger a tool. It packages what the caller said into a single JSON argument, passing it to the script. A caller asks for their order status. The AI uses a tool to check a live shipping API, gets the result, and speaks the exact delivery date back. Or it pulls available times from an Outlook calendar to book an appointment. Administrators upload these scripts in the CompletePBX interface, assigning a name and a plain English description so the AI knows exactly when to use them. With tools configured, the AI handles specific data requests and administrative tasks that normally require a live employee. Tools run when the AI decides to use them. Hooks are background scripts triggered automatically by the system itself, completely independent of the AI's decision-making. You assign a hook to fire at specific moments: when a session starts, when a call ends, or when it is redirected to another extension. Every time a hook runs, it accesses a temporary session directory. It pulls deep context from the call, including the caller ID, exact duration, transcripts, and an AI-generated summary. The exact second a call finishes, a hook can package that summary and automatically push it into your CRM, or instantly generate a high-priority ticket for your IT desk. These hooks automate the record-keeping process, populating external databases with call logs and summaries without requiring manual input from your staff. Bring all this together, and a single custom agent can qualify a VIP caller, book their appointment, and sync the transcript to Salesforce, all at 3 in the morning. If the AI detects a frustrated caller or encounters a problem requiring human judgment, it uses the built-in redirect call function to immediately transfer the caller. The AI acts as an intelligent filter. It resolves the routine, repetitive tasks, freeing your live staff to focus entirely on high-value human interactions. Building this behavior requires iteration, but administrators can experiment safely. The system automatically saves every iteration via prompt version control. You can view text differences side by side and instantly restore the setup to a previous working state with a single click. The CompletePBX Custom AI Agent eliminates the dead-end phone menu, directly connecting your callers to the data they need. Start building your first 24/7 digital employee today by exploring CompletePBX Custom Virtual Agents.